Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Binance trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Binance application on your device, and after answering the first few questions, you can enter your email address or your phone number to start creating your account right away. After entering your preferred email address, make sure to agree with the terms and conditions and click on Next. Now you will be asked to enter the verification code that you have received within your email address that you just entered. So just check your inbox and you will find your activation code. Once you enter this code, you will then be allowed to create a password for your account. Just type in your desired password and click on Next. You will now be welcomed to your new account, and if you have an invite code, you can tap on the Yes button to enter your code. Otherwise, click on Next. And now you can start using your newly created account on Binance right away. Make sure to complete your identity verification to start your trades. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Binance trading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.